today I'm going to be showing you my second Spode unboxing videos. Currently, there's a 20% discount across the Blue Italian collection, so I decided to purchase pieces that I don't have to add onto my collection and of course to avail the 20% discount. So yes, I'm going to be showing you my new purchases. In this box, we have 4 pieces: breakfast cup and saucer, teaspoons, sugar box, and the Blue Italian napkins. Oh, it is the sugar box. Oh, so cute. Isn't it pretty? It's made in England. This is usually £45, but because of the 20% discount, I paid £36. The next one is the teaspoons. Everything about the Blue Italian collection is pretty. The price is usually £22, but because of the 20% discount, I paid £17. Next one is the Blue Italian set of 4 napkins, and usually this is £15, but again, because of the discount, I only paid £12. What size is this? It's quite big. It doesn't say what size this is, but it's 100% cotton, so that's good. So I have 4 of the napkins. The last box is the breakfast cup and saucer. We actually have 4 sets here already, but it's not enough, so I decided to add more because again, it's sale. This is very pricey and usually it's £160, but currently again, because of the sale, I paid $128. These are the breakfast cup and saucer. So it's here, I have 4 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. So that's the scene. And again, this is made in England. Here's the cups. Okay, so it looks like this. So I have more items here, but this time I had to buy it from all over the place, like in Maxx and from Amazon. First of all, these items here are from Maxx. There was no intention of buying, but I just went there and all of a sudden I've seen this collection and I know this is from Spode, so I bought it. These items are from the collection Patchwork, Willow, Teal. First of all, the teapot. And this is the lid. It looks like this. It's a patchwork pattern with birds, the willow tree, and the teal color spread throughout the design. The original price is £55, but because I bought this in Maxx, it's only $9.99. It is a bargain, so I had to buy it. But if you go onto the Portmeron website, it's currently $27.50 because it's springtime sale. Next one is a patchwork willow tail sugar box. The original price is £30, but because I bought it in Maxx, it's only $3.99. So it looks like this. And the lid. It's a bargain. I know. I'm lucky. The next one is the cream jug. And it looks like this. The original price is £19, but because I bought it in Maxx, it's $4.99. There's no cup and saucer in Maxx, so I wasn't able to buy any of that. However, there is a mug. This is $3.99 and the original price is £13 each. If you go on the Portmeron website, the original price is £52 for 4 pieces. So these are the patchwork willow tail from Maxx. I have the teapot, the cream jug, and the sugar box. I also had to buy the 10 inches Blue Italian plates, and it's this one. Also from Maxx. The price is only $9.99 and this is made in England. Now I have 3 pieces of the 10 inches Blue Italian plates. Again, I'm going to be using this as a serving plate. This is the second box from the Portmeron group, and Portmeron group is actually the owner of the Spode. Okay, first from the box is the large Blue Italian handled serving tray. This is £15. I And it's quite big, so I can put the teapot, the cream pot, and the sugar bags all in one. And there's more space. Okay, next one. Okay. Oh wow, this is made in England. This one is a 7 inches Patchwork Willow tail plate. Currently, Port Meron is on sale, so I bought this for only £6 each. Looks like that. And at the back, it's Spode made in England. If you buy it per piece, it's only £6. However, if you buy it as a set of 4, it's £48. So what I've done, I bought it by piece, so it's more cheaper. So all in all, I only paid this for £24. Next one is this box. Done, done. Happy. That's the cup. So again, I have 4. Oh, it's different. Look. Okay, and I have 4 saucers. And that. The original price is $103.99, but currently it's 50% discount because of the spring sale. So I bought it for only £52. The last box is from Amazon because it's currently not available in Port Meron Group. Lots of this. So this is the 0.75 liter hot beverage spot. Oh wow, it's gonna complete my set! Wow. It's made in China. Currently, this is no longer available in Port Meron website. That's why I had to buy it in Amazon. I can use this for hot water, hot chocolate, and coffee. So I love this. This actually completes my Spode collection, and I can now host an afternoon tea or afternoon coffee. To add onto my Spode collection, I purchased more pieces from Port Meron Group. It's properly packed. And this is the cover. It looks like that. This is £30. It's a blue Italian 12-piece set. It all comes in separate boxes. It's the 20 centimeter side plate, and this is made in England, so that's good. And I have 4. The next one is it's a coffee mug. Oh, this is pretty. Look. And it has its individual label. I have 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a blue Italian 27 centimeter dinner plate. And actually I have 4 of this already, which is here behind me. 3 and 4. So I have 4, and this is made in England. So far I have 8 of the 27 centimeters already. And then I have also 8 of the side plates. This is actually my 3rd Spode unboxing. I love Spode. I just love it. I just love the design. It's timeless, it's classic, and it's unique. For the dinner plate, I have 8 pieces already. So this is the side plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8. And I just put it at the top. Just like that. And the mug is going here. And that's the 4 pieces. Now, this is my display cabinet, and there's no more space. I think I need to buy this kind of divider from IKEA so I can display it like that. Otherwise, there's no more space for the rest. Actually, I just realized this hot beverage spot, it matches my mug. Look at the handle. It's the same as this one. Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my videos. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Ready for baking.